Hello, today we're testing out the rendering speeds on the Fuws touchscreen system and the Mac Pro. I've loaded up a 40-second video on the Mac. I'm just loading up the same video into the Fuws. The Mac on the left has a slate Raven touchscreen. It's a little hard to get to the bottom icons on the Raven.
Can't get all the way in.
Sorry about that.
So we have a 40-second advert to render. The one on the right is the Fuws, and this one is the Mac Pro. Ready to press export on both systems. Every time I say Fuws, she switches on. Oh, she needs a new name. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. And they're off. The man looks like he's taking an early lead. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. What's this? The Fuws is back with a remarkable comeback. The Fuws is killing it. Oh, wow. Fuws is done. The Apple Mac. Oh, no. Apple, what's happening, man? Your computer's slow. Just wow. This computer is an absolute beast. Same on the last video. I've got to turn this voice command off. She's driving me crazy.
Disconnect.
Hey, back. You. Oh. Mother. Fuws. Gone. That's that fixed. So again, the Fuws is a lot faster in Premiere Pro and lagging with the Apple Mac Pro. Another great thing is the new control center for Premiere Pro on the Fuws. It cuts work time in half. So if I want to press play quick, press play. They scrub forward and rewind. The scrub is really good, by the way. All the hotkeys are one touch away on the screen. If I want to cut, no problem. Head over to the razor tool, cut it, cut where I want to cut, make a cut where I want to cut. So easy, so simple. Selection tool, select this bit, get rid of it. If I don't want to do that, just replace or undo, just like that. Like a child could use this. This computer is the dogs. I don't care what anyone says. Forget the Mac. This is what the future's all about. It's the Fuws. I want to call up my speed and duration tool for this piece. Press speed and duration. I want to slow it down to say 2%, for example. Mistake number uno. Undo. Now everything's back to normal. You see that? It's a touch of a button. Gone. Simple. Every tool you could possibly need. Call up my effects. Call up my audio track mixer. Got that. Audio clip mixer. Got that. Audio control effects. Media browser. Program. Monitor. Timeline. Everything you need is right here. Look out for the major control center. for your program.